So that is my offcut cart. As you can see, it likes to throw its shoes. So I got bigger shoes. Look at the size of these things. Huge. So I'm gonna pit stop it here like this, rip those two off, grab that, put it underneath, and zippity-doo-dah some of those screws in, and hopefully it can handle this. I mean, the whole purpose of this cart was to keep my sheet goods and my offcuts good and viable. Well, then it broke, and then it did the exact opposite of that, which is super annoying. Anyways.